Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Udemy, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up to be a Udemy course instructor? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for Udemy to be an instructor anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you can repurpose your content and organize it to sell it as a course on Udemy. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here on this URL, udemy.com/teaching/ Check my video description. I'll try to leave the quick link there. But I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and sign up to be a teacher or an instructor with Udemy, you're going to click on this purple Get Started button. Okay, next, in order to be an instructor with Udemy, you need to enter in your full name and your email address, or you can go ahead and sign up using your Google login, Facebook, or Apple login. For me, I want to go ahead and use this and then click on Continue with Email. Okay, next, Udemy sent me a code, a 6-digit code to verify my account. So I'm going to grab that code and enter it in here. Okay, next, in order to be a Udemy course instructor, they're going to ask you a few questions. So what kind of teaching have you done before? In person, informally, in person, professionally, online, or other. So I'm going to go ahead and click online and then click on Continue down here on the bottom left. Okay, now they're asking, how much of a video pro are you? Are you a beginner, some knowledge, experienced, or you have videos ready to upload? So I'm going to go ahead and just click I'm a beginner and then click on Continue down here on the bottom right. Okay, now they're asking if I have an audience to share my course with, so choose whichever one applies to you and then click on Continue. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes into my dashboard. So I am now a course instructor on Udemy, so I can go ahead and start designing my courses by following the instructions on this purple button. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to sign up to be a course instructor on Udemy, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.